Can you microwave an egg for us? You gotta just do it. What up?
Excuse me?
That skips.
Hey, ladies.
You actually seem like the most normal person out here, actually.
Well, what are you guys doing?
You stop making me laugh.
Hey, why is this fat laughing? Hey, good afternoon, shorty. What's your name?
You are oddly shaped. It works. Dude, I just saw this girl's titties, bro.
Tell me what I should do. Wait, give me some advice because
You are oddly shaped.
Okay, I don't care. Give me some advice.
You are oddly shaped.
Huh?
It gets me every time, bro. We should get Pooty on here too. What the fuck are you doing? Can you do something entertaining for us? Anything. Yeah. Okay, he's cooking so far. Dude, we should get dildos. Sorry.
I'm straight as a pencil, bro.
Have you found any woman?
Let me see your wiener then if you're straight as a pencil. Is your honey?
You're gay. You're gay for asking for
No,
that,
I'm not. That's not gay, bro.
He turned it on you. Dude, he's kind of right though. That might have been the gayest thing I've heard on it.
I couldn't even.
Yo.
Yo, you wanna watch us masturbate for 2
You want to join
hours?
us?
Hey, bro, what you doing?
What up? Chilling.
Can you microwave an egg for us? $50?
I fuck with that hoodie.
Let me guess. You want me to microwave egg and then try to cut into it?
No, you don't gotta cut into it.
Just got a microwave.
Just microwave an egg. I'll give you $50. Give Venmo.
Cash out.
Cash app. I can do that. Would you actually do it though? You have to leave it in there for 3 minutes. For real? On God? Do it then.
All right, let's do it.
Do it. Wait, first send me your cash app. Send me your cash app.
Okay.
What is it?
So, it's a capital T.
T.
Y.
Y.
S. E.
S. E.
D.
D.
R. I. O. N.
R. I. O. N. So
Yeah.
T. Y. S. E. D. R. I. O. N.
Yeah.
All right,
And then a space.
Is it happening right now? I'm confused. I'm lost now. What's happening, bro?
I don't know, bro. I want to see him microwave, but I can't even see.
Yo, it just popped.
Oh my god.
No way.
Did you not hear it blow up?
Yeah, I think it popped and he goes, yo, this bitch just popped.
Hey, bro.
Hello?
Nah, they ain't got a microwave yet.
Hello.
Pretty clear from here.
That's fine.
Yeah, what's up, bro?
What's up?
Hey, man.
Hey, man.
What's this? Are those headphones?
The earbuds,
That's
because
kinda
I don't
cool.
like a headphone hair.
That's actually
Dude.
cool. Me neither.
I had to switch for other reasons.
Oh shit!
Every time I
Damn.
picked it,
You got like a cat or something? Or you just like a
picked
mad
it like,
dude?
no, I'm just retarded.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't be like, yo.
Hey, bro. Where the at, bro?
I don't know.
How long you been looking, bro?
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, I literally just got here.
Nah, he lying,
We're the first
bro.
people.
You said what?
Nah, he
We're the first
lying.
people. Every single time.
Do you think I'm gay? Like, if you look at me, like, if you take one look at me, do you think I'm gay?
I don't know.
Do you think he's gay?
I don't know.
What if we told you we're both gay?
Looking for a third partner, potentially of color.
Fucking faggot, man.
Was that Snoop Dogg's cousin?
Damn, bro, you thick as hell.
Don't do this.
Hey, bro,
This
shake that
change-
shit for real, bro. Shake,
Throw
come
some
on,
ass,
bro.
throw some ass. That's true. 3 times
Bro,
7.
shake that shit, bro.
Man, this is pre-recorded. Whoa, we got a little bit of movement back there. Did you see that?
Yeah, we did. We just saw this dude shake his ass, bro. We
That
should
was a 30-year-old, 40-year-old man that.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yo.
What up, Brody? Yo, can we get a wave check?
Chilling. Huh?
Can we get a wave check?
Nah, you can't get no wave check.
Oh no.
Is it
Look
chop?
though, I'm an upcoming music artist, you feel me? On the rap some shit for y'all, you feel me?
Okay.
Go ahead, do it.
I'm tapped in.
Baby, go like this. Ain't no love for those, I ride with a fully. I'm going to so much pain, I ain't going no. So don't tell.
Hey, man.
Holy shit, Zayden Ross.
Hey, what's up, man?
Hello.
Where are you?
Philippines.
W. Can you show me around?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah. Wait.
Dude, this is sick. We're in the
This is actually
Philippines
sick.
right now, man.
Let's go.
Bro, my grandma probably.
Can I meet your grandma?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Grandma! Does she speak English?
Hi.
Hello? I'm trying to clap that, Grammy.
Hi.
Hello? Hey.
Hey,
Hey.
how are you?
Are you
How are
single?
you?
Are you single?
What?
Do you got a boyfriend?
Yes, I am a single.
Oh, you want me? You want me?
Oh, no.
Oh,
You are
man.
now my apo. You
Let
are
me.
now my apo.
Why?
I am old.
Grammy, I want
Yes.
some of you. I want some. I want you. I want you. I want you. I want. I want you.
No. Dato. I don't like that. You are crazy.
Oh, you fumbled there. You fumbled.
Grandma's such a baddie, bro. You don't even know that I got a Drake, bro. You don't even know. Now just sit down. Got
Shut
that
up,
Drake.
bro.
Got that
Goddamn.
Drake on standby, boy. Dude, you want to see me just fucking masturbate?
Yeah, let's all
Hello?
just do it together.
Hello?
Yeah.
Get your beef jerky back ass on somewhere, bro.
Get your big ass fucking teeth out my face, bro.
Oh man, white people cannot clown. God damn. It's okay.
Do you want us to
Go ahead
like
and
clap
pull
back
that
racially or something? What the hell? Cause dude, I'm not racist.
The way he looked down and locked in on you, he said, "What did you say? What did you?" That shit
Bro,
was gas, though.
hey, could you do something for me?
21. Can you do something for
Oh
me?
man. Hey, bro. Hey, just a quick favor,
What's
bro.
good, guy?
Hey,
What's
can
good?
you stand up, just pull your pants down, and shake your ass cheeks?
Please.
What's up, man?
How y'all doing? How y'all doing, man?
Hey, man, my
Good.
white ass just chilling, man. What's your black ass up to? Like, it's just like a Borat. He's like, we're just trying to post our black asses up for the night.
You're trying to put some flag asses up.
What's y'all nicknames? What can we call you?
They call me Swerve. That's Smack.
Hey, Smack.
What's up?
How big's your wiener?
It's about a good 7.5, almost 8 inches.
You're lying. Let me see.
Mine's the size of this
fact.
Modelo bottle.
Dude,
What's up, Nate?
you are the closest we ever seen to a girl on this app today. No bullshit. I'm hard. Now I am.
No, dude.
You see it? You see it, motherfucker?
No, I don't want to see, dude.
Shake something, man.
I can't do it, man.
See them ass cheeks. Hey guys, leave a like on the video if you guys want to get recommended more of my content on YouTube. Mwah.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drake, swalla la la. Drake, swalla la la, swalla la la, swalla la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drake, swalla la la. Drake, swalla la la, swalla